Hi, I'm Andrew Berman with the Mortgage News Network. We're here meeting with the top employers as named by National Mortgage Professional magazine. We're meeting today with one of the top employers, who is Rajan Nair, who is the CEO of Financial Services for Indecomm Global Services. Rajan, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me on your show.
So, listen, you have a very interesting company because you are truly a global company that has a very large platform, but seems to do really, really well in the mortgage space. But I want to ask you specifically, what makes you an innovator, or makes the company an innovator?
We pride ourselves in being in touch with the market and with what our clients need, and a very strong entrepreneurial spirit and a can-do attitude has helped us convert adversities into new opportunities. So as a result, we have evolved and developed new services, new products, new technology platforms, and new capabilities that have allowed us to stay not only relevant, but at the leading edge of the solutions that we provide to our customers. And that, I think, is something that makes us a true innovator.
Great, great. So how would you describe the corporate culture at Indecomm? We
encourage our associates and managers to think outside the box, but most importantly, think about the job as if it's their own business. And one of the questions that is very commonly asked in our organization is, what would you do if this was your own business? And that makes a huge difference, we feel, because that is essentially the essence of our corporate culture. And it reflects in the way in which we treat our associates, in the way in which we manage our clients and handle our clients, almost an obsession as far as, customer satisfaction is concerned. And that really percolates down through the organization. And our managers take a lot of pride and a sense of ownership in the parts of the business that they manage. And, we believe that this promotes kind of a non-political work environment, and it fosters teamwork.
So listen, if you can go a little deeper, tell us about the management structure at Indecomm.
We truly have a flat management structure. We have a frame of reference because most of my colleagues in the executive management team came from very large organizations where we had very complex, organization structures. Our flat management structure really allows our managers to feel empowered, and that philosophy goes a long way in helping them make business decisions, for us to be nimble, for us to be responsive to our clients' needs and to market needs. And really that sense of ownership is reflected in our annual employee surveys. It comes across loud and clear. Our associates really articulate that. And it really comes from the fact that we do have a flat structure that promotes ownership and has a spirit of entrepreneurship that is alive and well within our organization.
So now, how do you find the right employees that fit into this model? I mean, there's no question about it. You're talking about you guys are an innovator. It sounds like you got a very interesting corporate culture that encourages the entrepreneur spirit, and the management structure is a flat. But how do you find the right employees to fit this model? Because there could be some risks when you have such a loose company like that encourages the free-spirited entrepreneurial style.
Well, I mean, it's not a loose company in the sense. I mean, we follow the highest levels of corporate governance. We do have very structured management tracking and reporting. However, it's the sense of ownership. I think you got that message. But to answer your question, we do find it's not easy to find people who kind of imbibe that spirit. But somehow we've been fortunate through some of the acquisitions that we've been made over the years. We've made acquisitions, and those acquisitions have brought us folks who really have, we had like-minded people. And also an important aspect that I would like to state is that we have very little turnover within that mid-level to senior management level. In fact, we have folks who have really grown within our organization. They have started at entry-level positions and really promote and grown and become managers, and they run multi-million-dollar business, multi-million-dollar P&Ls essentially. Right. And that is something that we've grown and we've developed. Part of it is just be fortunate when you find those people. But the most important thing, and a very important message to other companies out there, is hold on to them and make sure that they continue to grow and develop. And that's really what we've been able to do.
Wonderful, wonderful, and it's working because you have some great people working for you. You got some of the biggest financial institutions in the country, in the world, working with you. So it's fantastic. Thank you for taking the time out of the day to meet with us. I appreciate it very much, and congratulations on being named the top employer.
Thank you very much, and it's a great honor.
And I'm Andrew Berman for the Mortgage News Network. Thank you for watching.
This is Mortgage News Network.